Okay, thank you.
It has been. Here in collections, sorry, in Stream API, we have many intermediate operations. So I'm not going to cover all, and many terminal operation, because most of the time you are not going to use it. That's the reason. Uh, Let me show you some more intermediate operation. Showing you this one. Guys, just be with me. This is really nice one. I like it. Here what we have? We have customer. Customer has name, email, age, and parameterized constructor, getter, setter, and toString. So you guys are comfortable with the class? Pojo,
Yes.
you know Pojo? Pojo stands for plain old
Yes.
Java object. Yeah.
Yes.
Pojo, Pojo. So D customer. So this is clear, right? Simple class and parameterized constructor, getter and setter and toString, right? So what we are doing here? We are creating a stream of what?
Team of customer data type.
T customer. You know,
Yeah.
sorting. If you can only sort Java object under the condition, you can sort all kind of Java object, or there's some prerequisite. You can only sort those Java object which is implementing comparable, or we use with comparator. Because when you sort some Java object, you have to tell him sorting logic. Yes, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, if I have 10 customer and I would say, hey, I want to sort you. Customer would say, I'm confused. I have name, email, age. You want to sort me on the basis of
Wow.
which attribute,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So you see a fantastic example. I don't know. I'm going to show you, you know, this first one, and please let me know if you don't understand. Okay. Like here, actually, one intermediate operation sorted. You got it? What is sorted? Intermediate operation. And sorted basically takes lambda for our functional interface for comparator. Yeah, you know comparator? You have to reply.
Yes.
Comparator is interface
It's an
which is,
interface.
you have to answer my question. Actually, we have comparable and J. Can you help me in that? We have two things. We have comparable and we have comparator. Could you please elaborate
Yes.
it?
Comparable is used to sort by default.
What do you mean by default?
Like, let's say the list that you had for the customer, and then while the comparator, you can override the comparable.
Exactly. He wants to say, if you want to sort it and you are not saying anything about sorting, it will take default one, right? That
Yes.
is comparable. But if you
Comparable.
don't like that default sorting, right? You want to customize it, then you can use comparator. So
Yes.
comparable, let me give the example. If I'm designing a class, right? Car. And when I'm designing, I know my class will be sorted, but my class will be sorted how? I don't know. You got a point? I don't know. When I'm designing my class, I don't know what, man. I don't know how this class is going to be sorted, right? I don't know the business requirement. It has to be sorted as per the color or as per the price. So what you can do? You can implement a default sorting, right?
Comparator.
Comparable. Because I don't know,
Comparable.
it has to be sorted on the basis of what? Got my point?
Okay.
So your answer should be when you are designing a class and you don't know how it has to be sorted, right? By the end user, then you can use comparable and you can give the default sorting. On the basis of which attribute? It is up to you. Huh? What I say? It is up to you, right? You want to sort how. Make sense?
Okay.
Yes.
So it is up to the designer of the class. He wants to sort as per the color and price. It is your the choice is in your hand, right? If you want to sort as per the price, you can return cr.car. Make sense, guys?
Yeah.
So this is called comparable. So comparable is used for what purpose? Default sorting.
Nagendra, I didn't understand the syntax which you use for the compared to.
Pardon? Can you come again?
I didn't understand the syntax which you use inside the compared to method.
Actually, you have a car, and car can be sorted on the basis of some attribute. You don't know, right? So you want to give some default sorting. Somebody sort it by default, and he does not provide anything, then it would be sorted as per the default. So if you want to give the default sorting behavior, it should implement comparable. And here, whatever class you are using, same class you have to pass syntax. Then in comparable, we have a method, compare to method, which you have to override. Hello? And in this overridden method, you can write your custom logic. If somebody sort it, then it should be sorted as per the color or price. So you say, Navendra, why are you doing for price? Why are you not doing for color? I would say, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know the requirement, right? So that's why I'm giving my default sorting.
Okay.
Yeah, default sorting. I like, right? I don't know. It has to be what, but I'm giving default, right? Or somebody wants to customize it. Somebody say, hey, I don't want to sort it as per price. I want to sort as per color. So you can use comparator. So you should always give this kind of answer. Sir, when you are designing the class and you want to define some sorting behavior for your object, use comparable. But later somebody doesn't want it, he doesn't like it, then you can use comparator. So comparator is used to customize the default sorting behavior for an object. Make sense?
Okay.
And for your information, comparator is a functional interface. What?
Oh.
Comparator is a functional interface. Oh, I forget it. What is a functional interface?
It is one abstract method.
Very nice. The interface which contains only one abstract method, that is called functional interface. It can have any number of default methods. Very nice. What's your name, my friend?
Daksh.
Pardon?
Daksh.
Daksh. Okay, Daksh. Give me a second. Okay. Hey,
Excuse me.
Excuse, please go ahead.
Yeah, I'm Fred. What if I said the difference between comparable and comparator? And that's the comparable provide a single.
No. No,
And
I
the
haven't.
comparator have many sequence.
I haven't, listen your whole questions, but I say no, right? Surprise? Because earlier I was thinking like that. Okay, on internet it is written. If you want to sort on the basis of one attribute, you can use comparable. If you want to sort as per the multiple attribute, you can use comparator, right? But my dear, I can show you in comparable. You can do sorting first of all name. If name is same, you can do price. If price is same, you can do color, right? So you can do that also. So you see, for interview questions, I am telling you whatever answer I will give you, you will give the impression. You can impress the people, right? So talk the way I'm talking, right? Answer. Hey, when I'm designing the class and I don't know how it has to be sort, you want to provide the default sorting behavior, you can implement comparable. But later somebody does not want this default sorting, he wants to modify it, you can use comparator. That's it. Apart from that, let me answer layman questions, right? Hey, layman answer. Let me try. Comparator, comparable is present in java.lang. Comparator is present in java.util. In comparable, you override the method compare to, which takes 2 parameter. In comparator, you override the method compare, which takes 2 parameter, and comparable is take 1 parameter, right? Hey, whatever I'm talking about, and comparable is normally implemented in the same class, and comparator we always design new class. This is wasting of time, right? Why? I'm talking about only syntax. Do you think it makes sense? No at all. People are not replying. You should always talk about its use, right? If I say what is the car, you can say car, no? Car, car is a very luxury item, right? And car has a color, it has 4 wheels, right? Yes or no? It has an engine, right? So you are wasting time. Yes or no? What are you talking about? You should talk about its use, right? The car is basically used for commute purpose. You can commute from one place to other place safely in less time. Make sense?
Yes.
So my recommendation is when somebody asks the questions, you should always talk about its benefit and use, not its attribute and property. Got it?
Yeah.
It's fine. Done. I hope you understand, right? E comparator is a function interface. For function interface, can we write lambda? So for comparator, let me write the lambda, please. Help me. I'm writing lambda
Comparator,
for comparator. I need your help.
comparator, and then
And
inside you pass
you can,
the
data type. You want to
data
do for
type
the
Car.
car, yeah.
and
And this,
comp.
and here it takes two parameter, right? And
Yes.
parameter will be of same type, car, car1, car2. But no need to write data type. You know that, right? Data type is optional.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, C1, C2.
So you can write C1 and C2. Oh, this much you have to mark. Yep, you have to mark. And here you have to
Arrow.
return integer, right? C1 dot
Compare to.
price
Price.
minus C2 dot
C2 dot
price.
price.
When you basically you have to return integer, right?
Mhm.
If you are returning first minus second, it is always in ascending order. So it is going to sort a car as per ascending order.
Lowest to higher.
Yeah, if you want to do descending order, you can reverse the order. Now it is descending order, right?
Descending order.
First one is ascending, ascending, give me a second. Ascending order. And second one is, yeah, you got it or you got confused?
Descending.
Descending order.
Again, try.
No, I cannot hear you. Go ahead,
Can you
I'm
hear me?
skipping. Yeah, babe.
So you said C1 price minus C2 price. So it's the same thing as C1 price compared to and inside C2 dot price. Is that the same thing?
Yeah, actually,
Because the
it is
definition
integer.
is compared to.
No. Actually, okay. I'm writing this code in compared to. I'm writing this method in compare method, right? Because I'm using comparator. I'm not using comparable, right?
Yes.
So you want to see the bigger code, anonymous class of it.
Mhm.
I can write anonymous class of it. Let's do that. Comparator and here give me a second. You have to write new. Let me do that. Comparator. The lambda makes your code shorter. You know that. That's why you use lambda. And lambda you can write for an anonymous class, which is based on functional interface. Okay, we know that. T. And here, sir. It takes time. I can write in Eclipse fast, but let me do here slowly, so that you can understand. Public integer compare. Are you with me? This is the longer code in anonymous class actually. And here you can write semicolon. Make sense? And here you can use car C1 comma car2, right? And here you can write. I hope I'm making myself clear.
Yes.
Mhm.
The C1 dot
C1
price.
dot price
If
minus
you want to compare as per the color, then what you have to do?
C1
Color. You can write. Yeah. Somebody is correct. C1 dot
C1
color.
dot color minus
Get color. Depend on, right?
get color.
Get color. Depend on. And compare to. Because
Compare
when
to,
you are
yes.
Okay.
comparing two
It's a
string, you
string.
have to
Yeah.
do come. All this will come by the practice. C2 dot get color. T. It's fine. Hello.
Okay.
This is the biggest syntax, right?
Yes.
If you want to write lambda for it, what you need to do, you know that you can make it shorter. Lambda get delete it,
Mhm.
and you can use this. Only one statement. Sorry.
C1 dot.
Yeah, I need space. Let me put it. C1 dot get color compared to CT. It's done.
Sure.
And here, don't forget to write parentheses because we have multiple
Few
parameters. Done, guys. This is if you want to compare two string lexicographically, right? Then you should use compare to again. But if you want to compare to integer, you can make a minus of it. Clear? All this thing will come by the practice. So, if somebody would say, can you write the lambda for comparator? So you can write it. Fine. So I'm going to show you an example. I'm going to write my own example, right? So I'm going to teach you which intermediate operation sorted. So car sorted. Main, you know, car. I can design a car. Car is there already. So we have to design something else. Bike. Hello. And bike has, help me. Every bike has a color. Price into CC. Private.
And price.
Pardon?
Price.
Price. Okay, that's fine. And after that, I'm in a hurry. Yeah, you can make it two-string method so that you can print the value of it. Hey, what is the specialty of two-string method? Two-string method is defined in object class, which is by default invoked when you print the reference of an object. That is the definition. And I want to set the values inside it. I want to initialize the initial state of the object. That is called constructor. What is the definition of constructor? Constructor is a method which is used to initialize an object at the time of its creation. Is clear? Constructor is only invoked only once in the entire life cycle of the object. And I'm going to add getter so that you can get the state of the object. You can individually get any state of the object. So I'm selecting all the attributes and select on say getters. So it will give you only getters. Confused? No.
No.
We are not confused, right? Bike.
No.
Right? I need to make a multiple bike. So, how can do that? Main. main.
Object.
Please help me. Yeah, we have to make a list of bike. I'm knowingly making a simple way. Bikes new. So I'm not going to make a many bike. I'm just making few of them. So bike.
Instance of the bike.
Yeah, you can do in that way also. There's many way to do. Color is white. CC is 120. Price is this much. Similarly, sorry, it should be like this. I'm just making 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. It's fine. Color is blue, brown, and yellow or green. You want to make list? The list dot bikes dot got the idea? Like this bike, you want to short it, right? Do you know how to create a list into stream? Dot reply, guys. stream. After that, you can use sorted. Sorted is an intermediate operation or terminal operation?
Intermediate operation.
Intermediate operation. So sorted says, hey, I will take a comparator. You know comparator, lambda? Yeah.
Yes.
You can use two parameter, C1 comma. You can write any name, right? T1 comma T2, right? Then this, and what you are going to return, this T1 and T2 will be underlying bike type. So you want to compare with on the basis of what? Tell me, color?
The basis of
It is up to you, right? And price? Tell me. Chal. You want to do on the basis of price? So you can write T1 dot get price minus T2 dot get price. Done. So sorted will solve all the element. Then you can use terminal operation. We can use terminal operation for what purpose? To
Print them.
to print it or to collect it. Choice is in your hand. You want to collect.
Print it.
the list form.
Yeah, let's do it. Somebody is saying collect. Then you can use collection. Collectors.
Dot to list.
Collector.
Collectors.
You want to collect into what?
To list.
List.
To list. Okay. So here you will get another list, but that list will be sorted. So underlying stream does not modify, stream API does not modify the underlying source. So now you have two bikes. First one is not sorted and it is sorted. You want to print the output? Yeah. So you can use for each loop. System dot out colon print mugget. This is consumer, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is printing sys out printing it after sorting. Printing it after sorting. And you want to print it before sorting? Yeah. So I'm printing it 2 times, man. First of all, with sorting and then sorting. Hey, I'm going to run it. Can you see this? This is not sorted, but it is sorted as per the price. Huh? Both are sorted?
Yeah, both
Let
are
me check it. Oh, magic. No. Something is wrong. How this is happened? No. Hey. Give me a second. Give me a sec. Here I am printing bike list. Oh, I did mistake, man.
Both are actually sorting.
I should print bike, no? Yep. Actually, I am printing the same thing twice. Can you see this? Now it is not sorted. See?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
So guys, have a look on it and let me know.
I have a question. Hello?
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Yeah, can you go to line 51? Yeah, it's 53, right? So the bike list that for is, right? So the for is not part of the stream, so it is not a terminal operation, right?
Just a second. For each is a list part of list, and for each is also part of stream API. So you can use it.
So this is not in this case. This is not a terminal operation, right?
Yeah. No. It is not terminal operation in this case. In this case, it is normal operation because you are not applying on the stream. For each right now, you are not applying on the stream. You are applying on normal data structure. Make sense? This one.
Yeah.
Hello. See, I have another requirement. I want to sort this as per the price. If price are same, what I'm saying? If price are same, then you want to sort on the basis of color descending. You understand my requirement? First of all, you sort as per the price ascending order. If price are same, then you have to sort as per the color descending order. You got a requirement? This is one of the most frequently this is one of the most frequently asked question in the interview. What is my requirement, guys?
sorting by price, then sorted by colors in descending order.
If price is same.
If price is
For
same, yeah.
example, if we have 1989 and this will come in the beginning, yeah. So all the three will come beginning. Then you have to sort first of all those as per the color. Got the requirement? Yep.
Yes.
In order to do that, hey guys, I need your help. This lambda you have to modify. You have to write in multiple line. If you want to write in multiple line, what you have to do? You see?
Parenthesis.
You have to use parenthesis. Yes. And semi, and here you have to write the logic. First of all, you want to sort as per price.
And then color.
If price is same, you have to write a condition. Tick, tick, na, what condition, man? Give me a sec. If PP is same, PP means price minus one price. If it comes same, it is coming 0. Then you want to sort T1 dot get color.
Get color.
You have to do descending order. So you can use second object dot compare to.
Compared to.
And T1 dot. This is one of the most frequently asked question, I would say. And same thing you can assign into P and return it. It's done. So you have to return PPP. Done. So not return is mandatory because sorted takes comparator. Comparator takes 2 parameters, return integer value. That's why we have to return integer value. Make sense?
Okay. Yep.
My dear, first of all, sorting price, ascending order. If price is same, then it is sorting color, descending order. Let's see that. Try. See the output, guys. Price 89, 89, 89, and this is okay. Now see 89, 89. It should be sorted as per the color descending order. See,
descending order.
Yellow, white, and green. That's cool.
This is good.
Good. And now I want to show you the magic of lambda. The same thing, but I don't remember, guys. I'm telling you, I don't remember. I don't remember, right? But I know there is something shortcut which you can use for sorting purpose. Same thing. Let's try. This syntax. This is cool, right? I don't remember. I said in the beginning, right? I don't remember, right? Like what you need to do? Bike list. Sorry, bikes.stream. Hello, sorted. And here you can use the same thing. You can use comparator. Can you see this? By comparator dot comparing. And here you can mention you want to sort on the basis of what?
Name.
Bike. And you can mention get price. Are you with me? Here sorted comparator dot comparing. It is fixed. You say sorted, and you want to sort. Hello. You sort it in normal way. Normal way. Comparator dot comparing bike dot get price ascending order. Then comparing. Hello. Comparator dot comparing descending order. Then you can use bike. And then column. Get color, and after that you can write reversed. Oh, nice. Hello. This you cannot see. You cannot remember it. Even I don't remember. You have to just see this kind of thing is there. You see, comparator dot comparing this ascending order, then comparing by dot color reverse order, descending order. Done. You can feel which one seems to be okay with you, and I'm printing it, right? You can decide either you want to use this or you want to use this. Okay, my job is done, and it is going to return a sorted list. Sir, you have to reply.
I have one question. Yeah. So
I'm printing it also. Sorry.
Okay.
Tell me.
Yeah. So after using the by consumer interface and then applying the then method, we need to use the accept method, which we haven't tried.
What would you say?
Um, so inside the line number 61, we use the then comparing method, right?
First of all,
Yeah,
I'm saying compare on the basis of color ascending order, then compare as per the color reverse order. And if you want to cover, then you can use one more reverse. Can you see this?
okay.
What it is doing?
Compare.
You want to say, you know, एक second. No, this should also work. Give me a second. Can you see this? You say first of all sort as per the price descending order.
Okay.
If price are same, then sort as per the color descending order, right? It's cool, man. Either you want to write this big syntax or you want to write this compact one. It is up to you. So I'm saying nobody can remember it, right? You just get again they have given some example and you go and copy it. Fine.
Is there a limit for using then comparing?
Pardon?
Is there any limit of using then comparing?
No,
Like
no
if
limit,
I
no
want to
limit.
use more than like
You can. I haven't done more than 2, but I would say you can, right? Try. Go. Try. Give me a sec. Then come. No. It should come after this. Hey, no limit. If color are same, you want to sort as per CC. So here you can write. There is no limit on. Oh my God, this is really cool. Huh? Make sense? In one line, you can compare on the basis of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parameters. Sir, you guys are not replying. You got this much?
Yeah.
Okay. Like this syntax, you can say again, like I got confused. I'm confused too, right? So you take the idea. Fine. You can do it. Sorted always, sorting is always done by the comparator. Remember it. If you use sorted, you have to pass a parameter. Can you see this? Comparator.
Comparator.
And here it is taking generics. Give me a second. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Here a comparator is taking, this is called upper bound or lower bound. It is saying I can take T or any super of T. T means it's saying I will take bike or any super class of the bike.
It's lower bound.
Here this is called lower bound. Somebody is right. Lower bound. You cannot go below to U, right? No, what I did. I'm talking about this sorted, right? Sorted. Can you see this? Comparator. It is lower bound or upper bound? Lower bound. You can use to T. You cannot go below to T. Done. Sir, you must know generics. You must know collection framework. You must know Java 8 if you want to become a Java developer. If you don't know multi-threading, is fine. What is it?
If you don't know multi-threading.
Even you don't know reflection, it's okay. Because those are, if you don't know file handling, even okay. Because those you are not going to use a lot. But remember, I spent a lot of time in Java 8, and after this session, somebody says, I don't know Java 8, then nobody can do anything. So I have done with this. Let me jump to the other. I'm going to show you one of the more important another thing, joining. It is also used a lot. Like sometime you always come across the situation, you may have a list. Hey, I am always coming in this kind of requirement in my projects always, right? I have list of string. And what do you want to do, sir? This list, in this, you may have a lot of element. Dot add. Hello. No, whatever name is there, I don't care. Hello, you got my requirement? Actually, I want to store all this data into string, comma separated. What do you have to do, man? We're not replying. Can you do that? I want to put all the data into string like this and comma separated. I'm saying, can you do that? Yeah, you guys are not replying sometime.
Yes.
So
There.
String
what do
dot
you have
off.
to, string dot?
Off.
I don't know. I don't know. You know, it's great.
Of here.
No, we don't have string.
Stream dot off. Stream.
Oh,
Stream dot off. Then you can put them in an array of strings.
a second. str dot sorry MAMN dot stream then done. List you can convert the then. No, let me tell you. Actually, but for this we have some facility. Let me tell you what facility is. You can convert it to stream, then you can use collect. What? Collect? Guys, what I did? Collect. In collect, we have a collectors we always use. Then we have a method joining. Hello, and here you can give the comma. Then it will return string. Sir, you are not replying. What it is doing?
It's gonna join all the strings and then.
Yeah, collecting means you are collecting by joining all the element comma separated. Done. Hello. If you print the result, it will come Nagendra, Ashish, and Manish comma separated. You got it or confused?
It works like a split method.
Split method, the split method is different thing. If you have a string and you want to split as per the some comma, then the different thing. You have a stream and you want to concatenate it using comma. So you say hey stream.
So joining is like a concatenation?
Concatenation. All the element you are concatenating by comma. We have other flavor.
We can use anything.
Anything you can use, man. Somebody wants to use hash, you can use hash. It is up to you. If you don't want to use the parameter, then it just concatenate without any corrector.
Okay.
Like here, we have other flavor. What it is going to do? Lion, arrow operator, tigers, arrow operator, bear. In joining, it is just going to join lion, tigers, and this, right? One parameter, no parameter, and we have prefix and suffix. Means that you want to say Mr. Nagendra, welcome, Mr. Ashish, welcome, right? Prefix and suffix. So let me show you how you can do prefix and suffix also. The first parameter in this is delimiter, prefix and suffix. But I'm telling you, I think I confuse you. Here, this is delimiter, right? And prefix, Mr. So Mr. will come only once, right? Welcome. Do you know what is the output? Output will be Mr.
Nagendra.
Then Nagendra. After that,
Ashish.
No, not Ashish. Then arrow operator. A prefix. Nagendra operator. Then you can use Ashish.
Then arrow.
Then you can arrow operator. You can use Manish.
Then
in last you can use welcome. So if you want space, you can give space. It is up to you. Prefix, suffix, and then result. So joining is one of the most commonly used method. I'm always using joining. Okay.
Joining is an intermediate method. No, collect is inside the collect. So it's
collect is a terminal operation, and this is the utility method. Utility method.
Yeah.
Collector is the utility class.
Hello.
Okay.
So Nagendra, the string joiner class of the Java 8, it's the same thing like this.
Okay.
I don't know what you say.
I said the string joiner class of the Java 8.
No.
Yeah. Joiner is there. I think that join the strings. That is different thing. Here I have a stream. Stream means infinite data. Somebody is talking in between. Mute yourself, please. He's talking a method. Let me pull it out. He's talking a method, joiner. Let me, method is there. I remember something. Join method is there, right? Hello? Whether you can, it is delimiter. Please reply. It is similar.
Yeah.
Like delimiter and the element. That's fine. It is similar to join. But it is taking, array multiple character. But here it is working for list or stream API. Remember it.
Okay.
Done. So we learn a lot. Let me show you. In next session from Monday, what we are going to start? Servlet. Spring we can start if you know servlet, right? So you guys have to tell me that for me everything is fine, right? Monday, whatever you say, I'll do it. Okay. If you guys are comfortable in JSP servlet, we can start Spring.
No, yesterday you texted us that you're gonna start Spring.
Yeah. Actually, I forget it, right? So let's start Spring from Monday. That's cool. But in this, how many people? You need to just have idea about JSP servlet. Other thing I will take care. In this, how many people does not know JSP servlet? Idea I'm talking about. I'm not talking about expertise.
Me, Abhimal.
Okay. So in this, give me a second. I need to know how many people does not know JSP servlet at all. Right? That would be easy because most. Me means.
Robin.
Me means.
Anish.
Okay, Anish, sure, that's fine. Who's else?
Robin.
Robin, can I know the reason why you don't know JSP servlets?
So I have only done the basics, sir.
No, basic is fine. You know JSP, you know servlet, you know how to design the servlet, JSP basic.
No, sir.
Have you attended the class of the Sarika, all the classes?
No, sir. I did it like from somebody else. Not from the cubic, from another, like a tutor, I did it.
Okay. Nobody can teach us like, that's the reason.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
Yes,
Just kidding.
Nagendra.
Yes, please.
I was with Sarika class. She covered most of the JSP and servlet, but the only thing that she didn't cover with us is JSTL. She didn't cover. And when I asked her, she told me Nagendra will cover JSTL. So other than JSTL, she covered for us, but JSTL she didn't cover it.
JSTL, I can teach you in 30 minutes. The JSTL is okay, right? I'll take care. Because JSTL is not a big deal. Clear? That I'll do. Okay, that's fine. I think who is from the Sarika class, you should be fine. Apart from Anish and Robin, who else does not know JSP servlet? Please let me know.
Oh,
please let me know very quickly. I need to make plan accordingly.
Bimal.
Bimal, okay. Bimal, can I know the reason why you don't know JSP servlet, please?
Because I haven't launched servlet. It was core Java, but not on the servlets or anything else. Just the syntax and all.
No, so when Sarika was taking classes, you were not there?
I'm not. I was not in the Sarika's class. I joined from a different class.
Different class means?
Not from the cubic classes.
Okay. You are from somewhere else.
Yes.
Okay. So you came in this class directly, or Rodhan and all knows about it?
Yes, Rodhan placed me on this class.
Okay. That's okay. I need to know, and you guys I will do something for you guys, okay? Because I will because of 2 or 3 people, I'm not going to teach you, right? Here, we need to respect the other people time also, right? Everybody is here for the job, clear? So I need to finish this as soon as so that you can get a job. That's plan is. Apart from Anish and Robin, Bimal, who does not know JSP servlet at all? Hello? Sir, apart from that, shall I assume all other people know about JSP servlet? I'm not saying expertise, but right, little bit. You know what JSP is. You know what
Yes.
servlet is.
Yes, sir.
Done. Bimal, Anish, Bimal, and Robin, you guys can just wait after the session, right? Don't leave. I'll talk to you guys separately, and you need to attend special classes because I'm not going to cover everything in scratch because I have pressure from the management also, right? We have deadline. If I teach you JSP solid, it will take again 2 to 3 weeks, right? So from Monday, instead of teaching JSP solid, I can jump to advanced classes.
Yeah, sounds cool, sir.
Yeah.
That's good.
See, my plan is making you guys comfortable in front end and advanced Java, like Spring Boot, microservices, web services, and one end-to-end project. You know why? Because once you get a job, you can survive over there. You should know the terminology, what they are talking about, right? You should understand their terminology. That's purpose.
That's right.
Yeah. Okay. So let me show you some more, and I'll show you all the program. If you can have a look, you can. Sorted is done. In sorting, we have a lot of flavor, so please have a look on it. Aha. I would like to show you this also, right? Hello. Like this also I'm using in my one of the projects. So you digested. Like whatever I have done in core Java, sorry, Java 8, if you know this much, you can do anything. If you're not able to do anything, talk to me. Here we have a class motor. You see motor? It has a color, model, date of entry. It's clear? Yep. Then we have a class
Yes.
vehicle. Vehicle has name, color. So we have two model. I have to convert one model into two model and see. Motor, color, model, date of entry, and it has name and color. Make sense? And here we have a static method. This static method is what doing, guys? It is taking vehicle, and from vehicle it is taking name and color and passing to motor. Is clear? This method is doing what? Taking vehicle object and converting into, not replying.
The color in the name.
Tomorrow.
Taking vehicle and creating motor, right?
Yeah.
New motor. That's fine. Like here I have a list of motor, list of vehicle, right? And I want to convert this into
It's a motor.
Motor.
so you can create a stream and you can use map. You know what map does?
It mutates.
Modifies.
That's the conversion.
Yeah. So you see how it works. So in this your parameter is coming vehicle, vehicle, right? This is vehicle, and this vehicle you want to convert into motor. So what you can use? You can call a utility class. No, you can utility class, and in this we have method. To motor.
Yes.
You pass the vehicle. Can you see this? Yeah.
Yes.
But still, like here, this is just one method invocation. That is correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
And this is one method invocation, and this parameter is coming in the parameter. Hey, somebody asked this question. If you have parameter, then if the parameter which you are passing to motor, if it is coming as a parameter, right? Then what you can do?
Method reference.
Yeah, you can. This I want to teach you. This is going to be used most of the places. So what you can do here? You can use class colon and delete this and delete it. But you need a lot of practice for it. Done. Wow, it's cool. This map is able to convert your underlying vehicle into motor, and you are connecting back into list. Please go and have a look on it. This is also one of the good example. On the internet, you have huge material of it. Fine. So let me show you one more example. This is also not a big deal. This thing I have taught you already. So you can have a look. Reduce is not important. Group by we have done, right?
Have you used filter?
Group by we have done in last session.
Yeah. The map.
What about the filter?
Pardon?
The filter?
What is the
The filter.
filter? Oh, abundant filter. Okay, let's do that. Filter is just cup of tea. You see, like here we have list. This is clear. This much is clear. List.
Yes.
And list I'm converting into stream. Then I'm using stream.filter. Actually, filter is used to filter the element. And in this you pass predicate. What you pass? Predicate. What is the predicate? Predicate is the functional interface which takes one parameter, return Boolean value. See?
Yes.
The underlying parameter, and if so, this filter, let me write it in one line, and you print on the same. It will allows only those elements which length is greater than 5. Filter is saying, hey, I will not allow all the element to pass. So what will be printed, man? The length which is greater than 5. Who is greater than 5? I think only banana
and grapes.
Grapes and banana.
Filter is cup of tea. Yes. Yes. So we.
Can you cover all much, any much? Can you cover those?
Yeah. That is not a big deal. You just tell me, okay? So you want I should show any match? Yep. Let's do that. You have to just tell me. Let's do any match. Where is my filter? TTT, right? So let me show you any match. Any match is interesting. Any match, है ना? Like whatever you say, even though I don't have, I can show you any match. Oh, we have. Haha.
So do you use any match for scanning or searching?
It is used for searching. Like here, you see any match? Stream of Nagendra, James, Aaron, and Jack. Clear? Like any match takes a predicate, and any match is a terminal operation. What is that?
Yeah.
Each match is a terminal operation, and it takes predicate. Predicate means that when you say any match, you are saying if any element length is greater than 5, return Boolean value and stop it. What is it? Oh, mister, it is going to scan all the element. In this,
no.
In this,
so the string has length greater than 5, then it will.
Yeah, if it match with any condition among the element, stop it. This is one of the very interesting example I'm going to show you, right? Any match is going to match all the element, or it is just match the element when it find the condition or satisfy the condition.
It's just going to scan Nagendra and then just move on.
No. Nagendra length is greater than 5, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's move Nagendra in last.
But
and
Jack
here,
doesn't.
Pala. The here, first of all, you know, when you run this, any match on this, it will take first element Pala. Pala length is not greater than 5.
Yes.
Condition is false. Then it will go to the next. James. The James length is not greater than 5. It will go to the Aaron, and it found Aaron is not greater than 5. It will go to Nagendra and it will say true and print it. Clear?
So what if Nagendra is the first?
Then it, yeah, you are searching it basically. It is search. If Nagendra is there, but it will only show Nagendra is there. That's it.
Okay.
Fine. Let me show you one interesting. One second. In this we have one more intermediate operation, pick. Pick takes consumer. Consumer means, let me tell you. My hero.
Pick one argument and return anything.
Pick is an intermediate operation. Actually, I am using it to print the value. PK. Oh, mister. You know, it is consumer. Can I write system.out.
Then colon.
This is one of the. It is consumer. Like here, you need to understand how the system works, right? It is going to print all the element, and let me comment this. And let me make a diagram of it. then thing would be more clear. Now, again, I tell you, this is only good for examination purpose. In real life, you are not going to use it much. I'm using it in one of the places, but you will see rarely. Let me show you. Basically, I want to show you the theory behind it, how it works. Like here, first of all, you are making a stream. In a stream, element will come on the fly or it will come in the beginning?
On the fly.
On the fly. Exactly. So this is the data. So you are creating a stream. That's fine. And you are going to use pick. Pick is an intermediate operation and it takes consumer. So you need to know how this stream is going to process this. And here you have another any match. Any match is intermediate operation or terminal operation? I forget it.
It's terminal.
Oh,
It's terminal.
That's good. Your answer should be it is in last. That's why it is terminal. You don't know this much? Okay. So guys, see how it works. So when you apply it, any match will start your pipeline. Any match will say, hey, give me the data matching with my condition, right? So it is going to Paul whom? It is going to start with Pala. Pala will go to pick and it will print it. Am I correct? Then Pala will pass to, after printing, it will pass to any match. This condition become true or false? Pala names is not written as false.
False.
It will not return anything. Similarly, you will go with James. You will go with Aaron, right? This situation, all the elements are printed. Am I correct? All the elements are, because peak is working. Am I correct? So it is printing A. Tell me, it is printing James. Yes or no? All the peak only intermediate operation, and it is used for debugging purpose, right? So in last, Nagendra goes here. Nagendra length is greater than 5. Then in last, it will return true. So let me change the order of the element. Then you tell me. Nagendra, I am just putting it in the beginning. Then tell me the output. Assume Nagendra is the beginning. In that case, on the console, only Nagendra will come, because Nagendra you are passing, and Nagendra will come to the pick, and this Nagendra is printed here. And when it goes to any match, true. It's saying done. Stop it. So tell me, if I run it, it will print all the element, right? Print ln, Pala, James, Aaron, Nagendra, and last it will print true. Let me do that. You see? Now, sorry. Now change the order of it. Nagendra, you can just make it first place, or you make second place. Then it will print Pala and Nagendra. I hope you understand. Thank you. It's done. Nice, right?
What does pick do there?
Pick is just printing the element when you are processing it. Pick is used to print the intermediate result, right? When your stream is operating, it is printing it. When your stream stops, it does not do anything, right?
Okay.
Basically, you want till condition become true, how many element pass to pick. You want to pick it. So pick is normally used for debugging purpose. Like here you are generating how many element? Infinite element. Can you see this? ND, 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 ND. Then you are saying any match. So tell me, there's any element who's greater than 5 in this?
No.
Answer my question.
No.
This here, this will work infinitely. Why? Match is asking for the element, and this is generating infinite ND, 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 ND. So this program will hang or not?
Run it to infinity.
It will run infinitely, not going to out of memory error, magic to stream API.
Because of stream API. Yep.
You see your program is kind of hang. You see? Take a second. Your program is not saved. I'm sorry. Let me run it. Interesting. Can you see this? Red.
Error.
It is ND, never terminating. Got it? You're confused. Output in this program, output will come. Answer is it is not going to print anything, and program will hang. It will go to the infinite loop. Make sense? Confused?
Makes sense.
I did with any match, and then we have all match. All match what does? It will return true if all the element match this criteria. If any element does not match this criteria, it will return
False.
false. So tell me, in this situation, when you say all match, so all the elements are greater than 5? No?
No.
No.
It will return false. And in this case, here you are saying all the element is going to greater than 2. You think about it. It will hang or not? It's returning
Yes.
and you are saying I am interested all the element greater than 2. All the elements greater than 2 hang. Huh?
These are sort of
It's gonna hang.
Hang. And we have another method, non-match. Non-match means opposite of all match. Right? Opposite of all match is non-match. I hope this much is clear to you.
Sure.
Sir, you go with my all the. Then we have a method count. Count basically count the number of elements present in the stream. Clear? And count is a terminal operation, right? So last I'm going to tell you one thing: terminal operation and reduction operation. What? Somewhere I wrote it.
Yeah.
All the terminals are all the reduction are terminal operation.
Yeah, but not the other way around.
But not the other round, right? Somebody. What is the difference between terminal operation and reduction operation?
The reduction operation is used to operate, for example, given to simplify like additions, subtractions, something like that.
No.
So you can pass like 2 parameters and arrow, then a plus b. You can do that. You can do like mathematical operations. You can reduce that.
Actually, reduction operation. No. You are talking about reduction terminal operation, right? I'm talking about which terminal operation is called reduction. You are talking about actually reduce operation.
Reduce.
If any terminal operation going to process all the result and produce finally produce one single object, that is called reduction. What I said? If you have terminal operation, it is going to process all the element and eventually produce one object. For example, if you apply on these streams, tell me, if you apply count, then count will, if you want to count all the element, how many elements you have to iterate? Any guess?
5.
So you are not replying. I'm saying if you are going to operate all the element, right?
They're gonna be 5.
If you are going to iterate all the element and produce single element, single result, then it is called, of course, terminal operation, but it is also called reduction operation. Why? It is going to process entire result and produce single result. What about collect? Collect what does? It also process all the element and collect all the element into list, map, or set. Yes or no? So collect is a terminal operation plus reduction means it is operating all the element, produce a single object. For example, if I say what about any match? Any match is a terminal operation, of course, but it is reduction also? No, because any match will process 1 or 2 element, right? When condition matches, it will return the output. So any match is not?
It's not a reduction operation.
It is not reduction operation. It is terminal operation, but it is not reduction operation, right? What about for each? For each is also terminal operation. It is not reduction because it is iterating all the element, but it is not returning result, right? Reduction means it should operate all the element and eventually it should return one result, common result. I don't know, you understand this much or not?
Yes.
Like reduction and collection, terminal operation was very confusing to me. Now it's not confusing. Reduction is a terminal operation which iterate all the element and eventually produce single result. Got it? Let me give you some more terminal operation. Like, you know, we have a terminal operation max. What? Max and mean. So max and mean is a terminal operation which will give you what? You see?
Maximum of
Maximum value.
Max, and see, when you want to find max, here you have to pass comparator, right? So if you pass comparator ascending order, so it will give you what I'm saying, monkey, gorilla, and bono, and you want to find max, and you are comparing math as per the length. The element whose length is greater, that will be the max element. So how will find the max element? You write comparator ascending order, then it will return max element.
Max
I don't know
is also reduction operation.
Max, give me a second. Though here, max is not a reduction operation. It is basically operating all the element, but it is not combining it. It's not combining it, right? Hello.
Okay.
Yes.
Max is not a reduction operation. Very important. Why? Max is iterating all the element, but it's not combining the result. That's why it's not reduction operation. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Next slide.
If you want to find mean, you see, mean, like you have to, in mean and max, you have to always pass comparator in ascending order. Remember it. If you reverse the logic, mean will behave like max and max will behave like mean. So please remember it. Mean and max takes which functional interface? Comparator. Done. I think this is enough, and I'll share all the programs, and from next session